Kashy with the science kid.
Cash.
Hi, I'm Mommy, and this is Kashy. And we want to welcome you to Kashy with the Science Kid. I know, I'm excited too. Today, we're going to be doing a really cool experiment. It's called the Skittles Density Experiment. We have Skittles. We also have a pitcher of water. We have a small plastic container. I use the sippy cup. We also have a clear container. We have a syringe, but you can use a pipette or whatever you can find at home. And we also have these little small plastic containers to hold our Skittles and water mixture. As you can see, friends, our first experiment did not work out very well. The colors did not stack on top of each other as we expected. What do you think may have happened that went wrong? I believe that we did not put enough Skittles. We should have separated them more by density. So we should have probably done a numbers of 11, 5, 8, 3, and 1 to really see a difference in the density change. But since they weren't dense enough, and we also kept knocking the table, it seems as if the colors just mixed up. Let's try again. We didn't get the results that we wanted, but Kashy Wiz, the science kid, had fun. Cheers to doing the experiment one more time to get the results that we want. If at first we don't succeed, we must try again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Skittles. I think I have about 20 yellow Skittles, about 11 purple Skittles, about 8 red Skittles, and also 5 green Skittles and 1 orange Skittle. I tried to separate the colors as much as possible so you can really see a difference with the density. I also do have my water. So we're gonna pour about 20 milliliters of water into each small plastic container. If you don't have a medicine cup, you can also use a bottle. And if you don't have a bottle, you can actually use a measuring cylinder. And I also have a syringe that is 5 milliliters. And if you don't have a syringe at home, you can also use a pipette. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour in 20 milliliters of water into each container. The yellow looks like it's doing really good. I would say we're ready to go ahead and draw up our yellow with a syringe. Just go right ahead and pour in your first mixture. All the rest of the mixtures, use the syringe or the pipette and let it release onto the glass on the very side of the glass very slowly. This is our second time doing this experiment and we still didn't get the results that we wanted. What could have went wrong? I believe that we used the purple first. Purple is an extremely saturated color because it's super dark. And I feel like it really just devoured all the other colors. So next time that we're gonna do it, we're gonna start with an even brighter color to see if we get the results that we want.
Hi friends, it's Daddy. Mommy tried this experiment several times and it was no luck. So Daddy decided to give it a try.
I can actually see a bit of separation of color when Daddy tried the experiment. I think one of the things that he did was start with a lighter color, but we still didn't get the results that we wanted. What could have went wrong? I think that we actually need to use a smaller container to pour the mixtures into, like a cylinder. The larger container is actually letting our product spread too thin. So we're gonna try this experiment one more time using this smaller container, the honey bear. We finally got the results that we wanted. Bye, friends.
What's your name?
Cash.
Kashy with the science kid.
Cash.